Using a pipette, transfer a sufficient amount of one of your separate solution into a cuvette so that it can be scanned in a spectrophotometer.
To prepare the cuvette, we start by filling it with distilled water up to the designated line on the side. Make sure it's neither overfilled nor underfilled. This is how the cuvette should look, filled to the line and correctly aligned for accurate results.
Before starting your spectrophotometry, it is important that you know what you're looking for using Beer's law. Beer's law states that A equals LBC. In other words, absorbance equals the lambda point times path length times concentration. Absorbance is found using the spectrophotometer. The lambda point is found when you're scanning across all wavelengths. B is a constant, and the concentration is what you can find using spectrophotometry. To start your spectrophotometry, first wipe the clean sides of your cuvette, then gently insert your cuvette into the spectrophotometer, ensuring that the light passes through the clear sides of the cuvette. Next, in the setup, make sure that your wavelength is correct for your scan samples. In a blank cuvette or with water, zero your spectrophotometer. After pressing start, you will see an absorbance in the left-hand corner. Find and record this in your notebook. Make sure to take your cuvette out of the spectrophotometer and close the door after you finish scanning.
You should scan across all wavelengths in a spectrophotometer because different compounds absorb light most strongly at different wavelengths. So by scanning across the spectrum, you can identify the specific wavelengths where a substance absorbs the most light, which helps in identifying the compound and analyzing its concentration. Lambda max is the wavelength at which a substance absorbs photons the most strongly. It is the highest point on the y-axis of an ultraviolet visible spectrum. You scan across all wavelengths to find the lambda max as well.
Make sure you clean up your station before moving on.
That's all, folks. May your pipettes be steady and your data be ever in your favor. Good luck out there.